Welcome to Kettering Business Park, the home of the Salvation Army's purpose-built processing centre, located in the Midlands. The search for a new processing facility for our clothing collection division started over 6 years ago. The trading arm of the Salvation Army, known as SATCOL, identified a need to relocate to modern facilities that would support the business into the future and continue to raise funds for our parent church and charity. Building work commenced in November 2019, and despite the pandemic, we were able to continue with the build, working closely with our development partners to the highest safety standards. The new 55,000 square foot facility offers enhanced capacity and efficiencies, as well as many other benefits. This new facility will further bolster our operations as we continue to grow and enables us to respond to our corporate partners' needs, including supermarkets, local authorities and large corporate donors. The new purpose-built warehouse provides a better working environment for our colleagues and improved operational efficiencies with new levels of automation. It also includes a number of environmentally friendly features, such as reduced energy and water usage, electric car charging ports and an eco-shelter. Here we provide an overview of our key automation and operational features, news of our latest fibre sort system, and highlight the work of our colleagues, who connect our nationwide network of collectors and hauliers, as well as support our customers here in the UK and internationally. Key features of the new warehouse are a trailer tilting device, conveyors, and bagging stations. Once trailers or vans arrive at the site, they are weighed on one of 2 weighbridges. Vans will transfer items via the unloading bays. Trailers use the trailer tilting device, which can handle up to 32 tonnes. The device tilts to 45 degrees and can empty a trailer in around 20 minutes. The donations you see here have been collected from our clothing banks across the UK and collated into larger bags by our collectors. These will make their way along the various conveyors to our sortation platform. Our warehouse colleagues will filter out any non-textile items from the bags. As part of our commitment to minimise waste and reuse and recycle, we find routes for all materials to avoid items being sent to landfill. This can include metal objects, DVDs and duvets, which we sell to companies to repurpose for other products. Our entire system can process up to 20 tonnes per hour. Once the textiles leave the sortation platform, this is how the product will look for our export customers. The textiles make their way to our highest conveyor before being weighed and dropping into large botany bags. Our bag filling system can fill a bag every 22 seconds. Once filled, the bags are tied and transferred in readiness for our forklift truck operators to move to a bag containment area. The bags are stored here until they are ready to be loaded onto a container for our export customers. All our forklift trucks run on lithium-ion batteries, another example of our commitment to introduce environmentally friendly features into our operations. Our latest installation is a fibre sort system, which has been part funded by RAP's Resource Action Fund for textile reuse and recycling. As a nation, we throw away around 300,000 tonnes of textiles into waste receptacles that go to landfill. Many brands, retailers and designers are introducing more reclaimed fibres into their manufacturing processes, and consumer trends show an increasing demand for clothes made using recycled materials. The fibre sort system will take clothes that are donated to us through our clothing banks and shops that are not suitable to be resold and worn, and sort them into different fibre types. Once separated, the items are sold to organisations that can break those materials back down to their raw fibres to be used to make new clothes. Our central support, fleet and export teams support our collectors, hauliers, customers and colleagues. They are an integral part of the operations team, providing daily feedback on reports of fly tipping, deposits made in error, and full or overflowing banks. The helpline can receive between 50 to 100 calls each day, and the operations team will respond immediately, making any adjustments to collections as required to clear clothing banks and surrounding recycling sites. Our warehouse capacity, nationwide network and operational expertise are all key strengths.
The facility is amazing. As you can see around me, it's state of the art, it's brand new. Everything was very manual before, and now it's all operated by computers. So a lot of the changes that we've had to encounter, obviously, with the staff and their training, because they're not used to the equipment or how things work, making sure people are happy, comfortable. Obviously, we're moving not too far afield from where we were before, but a million miles away in terms of the process. So it's just making sure we've trained people on all the different aspects of it, that they're comfortable in their new roles, and ultimately if they're happy, then we've got a nice productive warehouse.
The automation and operations here at the processing centre at Kettering Business Park is working extremely well. We were able to increase the amount of volume of donations that we process through the facility. For example, we have actually managed up to 140 tonnes in one day. We have the capacity to double that and go up to nearly 300 tonnes.
With over 30 years' experience, the Salvation Army Trading Company and our clothing collection division is well placed to support our customers, corporate partners and communities to reuse and recycle textiles today and in the future, and raise funds for the Salvation Army and other community-based charities.